a fire truck. Can you go take that over and show your brother?
Look, a fire truck.
Take it over to the foyer and show your brother. Oh, crash.
A garbage
What if we put it over there?
truck. My truck. No, my truck.
Excuse me.
My truck.
He just wanted to look at it, Tyler.
My truck.
Show Will how it drives on the floor. Go on, show Will how it drives through the foyer. Go on.
No.
Put it on the hard floor, over by where Will is. It won't drive on the carpet. Go on, put it on the floor.
My truck.
He's not going to be able to catch it. Go on, put it on the floor.
Ew. Look, my foot truck. My foot.
Excuse me, young man. You do it again and there will be no fire truck.
I like a fire truck.
Say you're sorry for yelling at Will. Say, I'm sorry. No. Go on, show Will how your new fire truck works. Very cool, Bug.
I got this. Oh my God. No, I got it. Hey. Fire truck. No, baby, no. I
Ugh, that binky's no good now. So if Tyler's obsessed with the fire truck, maybe Willzilla can tack Zodor.
Fire truck. Babies. Babies.
Beep beep. Leave the camera alone, Bug.
Baby.
Yes, that's the baby.
Will.
Baby Will, very good.
My fork. My fork.
Go on, drive your fire truck then. We'll have to send Miss Allison a note later and say thank you.
My fork.
Put it on the hard floor. Doesn't drive on the carpet, bud. There you go.